Jason. We just received some breaking news weather news. Weather models show that this is here a blizzard heading in our direction. It is a bad one, so don't get out of your house. It is a strong blizzard and it is a snowy one, so don't be cold. So we all should get blankets. Also, you should get warm clothes on so you can keep extra warm, so you can drink hot chocolate. It is important to prepare for this type of storm because it could make you get hurt and your house get damaged. So you should get in a underground shelter. You should be prepared to go outside and hurry up and go. Did you know blizzards are a snowstorm because blizzards have snow in them? Also, they can affect damage to your house and damage to your body. So when they are not watching the news and a blizzard is coming, you will get ready with proper preparation. We will be able to weather this harsh storm. Continue to check in with us at these great news for the most current